Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. I am really happy that you guys are really taking advantage of this. I'm really happy. Lots and lots of screenshots and results are really coming in. I'm getting so many messages from most of my subscribers. People are now milking the market successfully. Okay, I'm really happy that this is actually coming up. Okay, guys, let me quickly read this message before we go fully into today's video. Okay, I never doubted. This I got this from one. This is just from one of my subscribers, and I'm really happy when I saw it. I do get so many of these every day. Okay, so but I'm going to read this not to showcase anything, but just for you to see that people are actually making. I don't really like showcasing results and things like that. Okay, all I want is you knowing how to trade and also doing it right and milking the market successfully. Okay, so let me quickly read this out before we go straight into what we have for today. I know you guys are already waiting for this. Okay, I never doubted you from the very first day, even before I paid for the blah blah blah. That is the QDC scripper indicator. For the first time in my life, I made $50. Wow, I'm really happy. This is one of the reasons for sharing this, because for the very first time he made $50 first time. Okay, I followed your last uploaded video on YouTube, which was the one I did yesterday night. Okay, I checked the trend using the QDC scripper. When I got a buy signal, I waited for price to go above the 4 MA candle, and I place a buy. I place a buy order. It worked. Wow, I'm really happy. I'm really happy that this actually worked for this guy, and I'm really happy that so many of them like that are actually taking advantage of this. So right here was my response. Wow, this is amazing. I am happy to hear this. I love it when you make money. Of course, I love it when you guys make money, and I love it more when you withdraw your profit from your trading capital. From the trading platform. Okay, so I'm really happy when I get a message like this, most especially from a new person who is just trying to learn how to trade. Okay, guys, from there we'll be going into what we have for today, which is checking out the market, analyzing the market together. But before going fully into that, if you are just joining us for the very first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online, trading, boom and crash, and other synthetic indices assets. Okay, all you just need to do is just to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you understand, learn, and practice. And practice everything highlighted in the video. You need to practice your skills. Practice the strategy on your demo account first. On your demo account first before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very important. That is our major secret here. Okay, if we are successful in our trading activities, it is because we take some time to practice new strategies before we try it out on our real account. So if you are not ready to do that, then I think this place is not meant for you. Okay, so that is it. So if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set it to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And if you have any question about my videos, or you want to know more about my trading strategies, or you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. So let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, for tonight we'll be looking at the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, we will be analyzing boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500 together, so that we will know what to look out for whenever we are trading tonight. I know you guys are already waiting for this, so these are some of the things we will be checking out in tonight's video. Okay, so but first, before going fully into this, I want you to know that I will be doing this based on my own technical know-how, and also I will be doing this based on using the QDC scripper indicator, which is the indicator I will be using in today's video. Okay, then also I will be using this I will be doing this based on the time frame which the chart is on. Okay, I'm going to tell you the time frame when we get to the chart. Okay, then also this is coming to you. This is just after 8 Nigerian time. Okay, about 8. This is 8:11 p.m. Nigerian time. So, in case you are seeing this later on, you are not seeing it right and direct while we are doing this, then you need to have a check on the chart before you follow up with the trades. Okay, but the trade, whatever will be we will be analyzing in today's video will help you, will stand as a guide for you to trade successfully whenever you are trading tonight. Okay, and it will also help you to learn how to do your analysis in your own way before you place your order. So we'll be starting with boom 1000, guys. So let's hit the main chart right away. Okay, so this is the chart. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator just as you guys have known, and my chart is on 5-minute time frame, and we will be starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. As you can see, right from here it started an uptrend right from here, and it has been going on from this major support level. It went up but pulled back again to that support level, then went back up, created another support level around here, then went back up to this resistance level. Like I used to tell you, it will always get to the last part of the trend before the trend will change its direction. Okay, even if there is a pullback, as you can see, there are so many pullbacks here, and it ended up going up to this resistance level where the trend actually came to an end. Right now it is going back on downtrend. We've gotten our sell signal, but of course it will always find it difficult to break out from the support zone. Okay, because it is just coming from a major uptrend. Okay, so it will be fine difficult. You can see when it got to these 4 MA candles, it's bounced back again. It will be trying it out again. Once it gets there, it might want to bounce back, but once it breaks it successfully, then this support zone should be the next place you should look out for. So it's going to be a sell for boom 1000, but always watch out for the support zone, and most especially the 4 MA candles. Okay, it's going to be a sell for boom 1000. Let's check out boom 500 to see what is happening right there. Okay, so this is boom 500. As you can see, it has been on a very long downtrend starting from this resistance level, which was a major one. Okay, it ended the downtrend right here. Okay, it was a smooth journey. Okay, we hardly have a major pullback in between, so it was majorly mostly, or let me put it this way, it was a very strong downtrend. Okay, so it went down to this level where the trend is actually changing back into an uptrend. Okay, of course it is going back into an uptrend, but like I always tell you, this is coming from a major support level, but it will always find difficult to break out successfully. Tried to break out right here, but went back below the 4 MA candles. Right now it has broken out again. Let's see if it will go back below the 4 MA candles again, but of course it is going to be a buy for boom 500, and always watch out for the 4 MA candles, especially when the trend is just changing direction. So it is going to be a buy. Let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Okay, where is crash 1000? Okay, I've seen it. Wow, this is crash 1000, guys. It was on downtrend before, but right from here it started the uptrend, and it has been on uptrend. So many pullbacks in between. Went up, pulled back, went up again, pulled back again, went up this time around, consolidated around this period because it was trying to see if it would break out from this resistance level, but was unable to break it out. So that is why it had to change the direction of the trend from an uptrend to a downtrend, guys. The downtrend started from this resistance zone. Okay, it came down. It was finding difficult to break out from this from this support level, which was which the 4 MA candles is actually standing in for. Okay, so it went back up to the resistance zone and came back below that 4 MA candles, and this time around it is having a major obstacle here for which is a major support zone also. So it needs to break this, because as you can see, the market consolidated within this region, this resistance zone and this support zone for a very long time. So it needs to break out from here Okay, guys, this is what I'm going to say. Wait for the breakout. Of course, it is going to be a sell, but wait for the breakout from here before you jump into the trade. Okay, so that is a major one that you need to take notes of. Okay, wait for the breakout. Okay, but it is going to be a sell. It is going to be a sell. So let's check out what is happening with Crash 500, guys. Let's check out what is happening with Crash 500. But before we go fully into that, I'll quickly remind you that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Kindly subscribe, like this video, and share with families and friends. And of course, you need one more thing to do: turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this, including the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. And of course, let me quickly remind you of this. Okay, tomorrow, we've started a new week today. Remember, tomorrow is Monday. It's going to be our day for our trend for the week. Okay, it's going to be our day for trend for the week. So if you want to check out what you should look out for throughout this week, then you shouldn't miss tomorrow's video, guys. You shouldn't miss tomorrow's video. So I will be trying that out. We'll be analyzing the market just to see what we should look out for throughout the week. Okay, guys, let's go straight into what we have right now. What we have left is Crash 500, guys. For Crash 500, let's check out what is happening. It was on a downtrend before. The downtrend actually started from here and it went down to this level. There are so many pullbacks in between, but it ended up on this major support level, which is now leading to an uptrend, guys. So it is now leading to an uptrend, but right here you can see that the market couldn't pull out successfully because of this resistance zone. Okay, it used to be a support zone, but it turned out to be a resistance zone later on after breaking it out. Okay, so this is a resistance zone. So I would say the market consolidated so much around this area before finally breaking out from it successfully. And this time around, we are having this obstacle, which is a resistance zone again. Okay, so once it breaks out from here, then we should be experiencing another obstacle right here, which is also a verified resistance level. But at the moment, it is going to be a buy, but wait for it to break out from these 4 MA candles. Okay, wait for it to break out from here before you jump into the trade. Okay, it is going to be a buy for our Crash 500. Okay, but wait for the breakout. Okay, wait for the breakout. Okay, let me use this. Wait for the breakout, but it is going to be a sell. Okay, it is going to be a sell, guys. So that is it. So that is our analysis for today. So you guys should take your time to study the chart before you jump into the trade. If you are just joining us for the first time, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. You can always ask your question anytime, any day. But first, I want you to practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And also, as for what we did tonight, if you want to try it out, make sure it is on your demo account, not your real account, because you are yet to understand the way all these work out. Okay, you are yet to understand the way they work. Okay, so you need to practice first before you start making money. For those of you that have been following me all night, okay, in order to pick up your trade, then definitely we can go on into the market again and milk the market successfully and share your results with me. Do not forget to do that. I would love to see your results, to see your performance at the end of your trading period. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God